Monday morning, September 15th. The Astro Excel is still up high, moving between the 30 and 40 line all the way through the session today. And then when we get to this evening here, moving into the morning of the 16th, we start to drift to the downside, but still in bullish territory all the way through the week. We don't cross the zero line and move down until late on Friday. We did have a bullish week last week. We had some large swings on Friday with some consolidation, and we're trading inside that range right now. We're just about ready to break out and make a new high. Right now we're at the 66.61 level, challenging the high from Friday. The key spikes coming in, we have the spike here at 8 a.m. right now. See if we get this pivot high forming as we retest the Friday high. We may get a tradable reversal right here now. We've got another blue line spike at 9 a.m. tomorrow on the 16th. We've got a flat bottom low here 7 to 8 a.m. on the 17th. Another one on the 18th at 11 a.m. Then we've got two spike highs, one at 1900 and one at 5 a.m. then on Friday. And then the last important spike of the week would be this big spike low going down below the minus 20 line on Friday at 11 a.m. So that's the picture for the week. Still in mostly bullish pressure all week. This market looks like it wants to move, continue moving up to attack that key 7,000 level.